different scenery. I'm actually at work on my lunch break, so I said, why not pick up the camera and record me eating? Today, I got some wings and fries from WingStop. Y'all, I'm finna put y'all on. I bet once y'all try these wings, that's all y'all gonna get from WingStop. I bet. Look what I got. I got some hot wings with some lemon pepper on it. Fire. When I tell you fire, fire. So today, I really ain't got a topic. I said, let me just pick up the camera. I got some ranch, and I got some like lemon pepper seasoning on the side. But make sure y'all got y'all food and eat with me. We can eat together. How are y'all today? How y'all doing? Today is actually Monday. It's like really ugly outside. It's been raining. It's been rainy the past couple of days. So I just been home actually. Yesterday, I went to a little get together with my peoples. It was pretty cool. I had a lot of fun. But thank God it was inside, because it's so ugly outside. Like it is off and on raining, and it's just not good vibes. But I still have fun. But I think I found what I want to do. I think I know what my channel is going to be about. What I want my channel about. Because I love doing it. Which is sitting down, eating. I think this is going to be my mukbang channel. Because I love to eat. And I like to try new foods. But if you guys ever so often want something different, you can always DM me ideas. But this is going to be a mukbang channel. Listen, these chicken, I think I got the wrong flavor, because they're not hot. I think I got mild. I didn't mean to get mild. I don't know what made me get this weak behind flavor. I mean, the wing's good, but it ain't got enough spice for me. But I really didn't have this chicken wing. I don't know if it's because I'm hungry or these chicken wings really good. And I love eating their fries. Y'all heard that? I love eating their fries with ranch. That stain is gonna kill me. And it's nowhere near time for me to go home. Y'all want a bite? Because they fire. Hold on. I'm gonna try to taste it. Give me a second. This chicken wing is everything, okay? I'm gonna give y'all a bite. Huh. Take a piece. You want ranch too? Let me give you a little bit. I'm playing. Oh my God. But when y'all eat WingStop, is it just me, or No, so rude. I was about to say something, but is it just me? Or my wings always leave first? And then I have a whole bunch of fries. Or is it because I only get 6 wings? But geez Louise. And I was told that WingStop put sugar on their fries. Is that true? Somebody comment down below and tell me. If it is, I mean, I'ma still eat them because they good. But I didn't know it was sugar. I forgot who told me that. Y'all see my dip? I'm gonna move it back to y'all. It's so good. Not like smooth, creamy like ranch is. Y'all know what I'm talking about. These are so good. Yeah, but I think I found out what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make this my, we're gonna do bangs, mukbangs. And which one is it? So some people say some people say mukbangs, mukbangs. Which one is it? Let me know. I don't want to be out here saying it wrong. Ooh. This lemon pepper tastes good. Y'all, so, ooh, it's raining so bad. So, I set out to make it pretty. I look like I'm off. Let me see. There we go. Y'all can see my food. I'm some bit out of frame. It's okay. Sorry for that stain, y'all. That's gonna bother me. But I set out to have like a real successful YouTube channel. So with that being said, I didn't know how hard it is to record off of your phone. It's not really hard, but you know, me being new to this, I totally forgot about the do not disturb. Oh my gosh, in every video I always say something wrong. Do not disturb button. Y'all don't understand how hard it was for me to finish this video. Because, oh my gosh, every couple seconds, somebody's calling me. And I just realized, duh, Audrey, you gotta do not disturb button. I felt like a Riri. It's raining so bad outside. Did you guys know? Whew, that's sweet tea pie. Did you guys know, what I was gonna say? Wow, I forgot. I forgot what I was gonna say. That's crazy. I'm so distracted by these chicken wings and stuff because I'm so hungry. But y'all, this is my first mukbang. I feel like I'm doing great. Let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. I want to do the spicy noodle challenge. I ain't gonna do it for so long. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. You used to go in this spot. Now, since I found my, my thing, ooh, I'm gonna do mukbangs, and then when I'm home, and when I'm cooking my food, because I love to cook, I'm gonna give you guys like cooking vlogs. And then a mukbang of me eating the food. That'll be crazy. And then y'all can hit me up and tell me different things to cook. Different things to get in front of the camera and eat. Sorry. That'll be crazy. I like that idea. We should do that. What y'all think? Let me know. And while I eat, y'all can give me different topics and stuff. It's so good. I got oh, this is so good. I'm learning this thing out day by day. I'm learning it out every time I do another video. So y'all give me some time. I'm learning. Every day is a new part. Every day is something different. Every day I learn something new about YouTube that I didn't know the day before. Excuse me. But, yep, I found it out. I'm gonna be a freaking mukbanger. However, that is what I'm gonna do. I'm almost done, y'all. Gotta go back to work in a few. But yeah, this was like a this came out of nowhere, like, oh, I can do, record myself eating my lunch. This wasn't even going to be a video I did today. But I said, why not? But I do know I won't order mild again. I'm gonna just do original hot because it defeats the purpose of having a lemon pepper on top. Y'all, when y'all go to WingStop, order you some original hot with lemon pepper. The dry rub, put it on top of your hot wings. If you like ranch, get ranch. If you like blue cheese, get blue cheese. I'm telling you, you won't eat nothing else from there ever again. That's only if you're into spicy stuff. See, I love spicy food. That's why I order it. Them wings was everything. But yeah, that's why I always order. I'm about to let y'all go because I done murdered that food I had. But that was all. That was my mukbang. So what I need y'all to do is like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure your post notifications are cut on. That way you're notified anytime I post a new video. But remember, love yourself. You are somebody, okay? Don't ever let nobody else tell you otherwise. You're a beautiful queen. You are a handsome king. And yeah, make sure you love yourself. That's important. I'll get back to you guys soon. Love y'all.